Baby doll therapy is a non-pharmacologic treatment option that we use with our dementia patients. These patients oftentimes are highly agitated and confused in the hospital when they're taken out of their normal home environment. We're able to increase happiness and decrease confusion and agitation with them by promoting a positive relationship between the patient and the baby doll.
My name is Lucas Mattingly, project manager with Rainbow Restoration of Columbia. Rainbow decided to support the baby doll therapy. We have a good friend, Lee Sheely. She's a nurse manager here. She was talking to us one night about the baby doll therapy. It was almost impossible to say no to it. Once we learned about the benefits it has, it provides the comfort that some of these patients lack.
The LMC Foundation is special because there truly is something for everyone. There are so many ways to be involved. We as employees have the opportunity to help our coworkers, to help individuals in the community, and to help our patients in some of their greatest times of need. If we all work together, we can continue to implement process improvements that can positively impact people every single day.
You never know what's going to happen in your life. You could be up today and down tomorrow. While working with public safety, I was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome, and that is when your nervous system attacks your immune system. After my diagnosis, I was totally paralyzed. I could not walk. I could not use my hands. Started in my feet, and it progressed up my body, and it took a while for the doctors and all to figure out, how they could stop it. They did a spinal tap. They figured out what was going on, and they started treatment. I've never seen a organization that reached out so fast to help an employee as quick as Lexington Medical Center Foundation did for me. It took a lot of pressure off of me, being able to take care of my family. I feel like it's important for employees to give to the foundation because you never know what's going to happen to you today or tomorrow. You never know. It can just happen, snap of a finger. So I'm always pushing to help to try to get the employees to give because it could be them. It was me then, it could be them later.
I was inspired to apply for the scholarship from the foundation when I decided to go back to nursing school, which I swore I would never do. And knowing that the expense was coming, looking at all the schools that were available, I knew I would need some assistance and remembered about the scholarships. So I was really excited to be able to apply and never knew that I might get it.
So I'm always honored to be able to give out the Linda Koke Scholarship each year. I had the privilege of working with Linda Koke for many years, and she first started here as a nurse and then was promoted throughout the years and ended up being our Chief Nursing Officer and our Vice President of Patient Care. She did a phenomenal job. She was always very compassionate and very professional. And one of the things about Linda before she left is she really wanted her legacy to be that she encouraged current nurses to go back to school to get their master's degree. She felt very strongly in promoting our leaders and giving them the tools that they needed, and some of that was going back to school. So it's always a great honor to be able to provide this award.
It just means so much to know that leaders like Linda Koke gave of their money to the foundation to support nurses in their endeavors. And growing up with a single mom, I never thought I'd be able to go to school, period. And now to think 35 plus years later that I'm going to return for a master's program, it just means a great deal. Knowing that the foundation is there to support employees and to support the community means a great deal. I've been a representative for the Hope Foundation on our unit for the last several years, and so I've really been able to see closely how they benefit everyone and how we can continue to give back even in small ways, but that it's returned in big ways.
We are stronger together. Together,
We are hope.